QC Chrissy, and I am back with another wig review. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. So if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know every time I drop one of these videos. And also, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. So today I am going to be reviewing the unit from Sensationnel, the Curls, Kinks & Co. line. Its name is Wild One. I have been this wig has been getting a lot of attention. The anticipation was really high on it. And so I have already seen some reviews, and you may have, but you haven't seen mine. Anyway, here is the cap construction. There is that lace. Now, this lace is awful light. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but we'll see. Anyway, you've got your combs. You've got the comb in the back. You've got your straps. There are baby hairs on this, and you're supposed to, the way that it's sewn, you're supposed to be able to also wear this in an updo. Their baby hairs are nice and long, so it gives you something to work with. I don't wear baby hairs, so I will not be doing that. And here it is. This is Wild One. Let me show you the card. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And that is the inside of the card. I have this in a color 1B. The back just shows other available colors. And this is a blowout look without the risk of heat damage. Of course, it's a protective style. It's to mimic 3B to 4C hair, natural hair. It's ear-to-ear soft lace. Easy application, can be styled as an updo. And natural look and feel. Heat safe up to 400 degrees. 100% premium fiber synthetic hair, and it has baby hairs. I am going to put her on and I will come back. Okay, y'all, so this is Wild One in 1B. I am not surprised by my review and what I found, because I heard it and I see it. This unit does not look like this. The curls are so different. The curls in this are like ringlet curls. I've been playing with this unit, trying to kind of get the curls to be different, look different. And it's pretty. It's a pretty unit, but it's not this unit. Now, look closely at those curls. Now, let me give you a close-up of these curls. Not the same. And if you look at the top of this, you'll see that the curls start from scalp. This is flat. The curls come down, they start here. So it does not have that same full fluffy look, and you can't get it. I don't care what you do, you're not gonna get it. You see, I'm making this hair bigger and bigger. So that's the one thing they have in common, that it's big, full hair. But the curls are, I don't care what you do to the curls, are not gonna look like that. So let me give you the 360. Whew. Oh, and let me just show you the length. This is where it hits on me. I am 5'8". So, would I recommend her? There probably are better units out there that look like this, okay? I would wear this unit. I'll probably wear this unit. I think she's very pretty. I am getting a ton of shedding and tangling, but it is a synthetic curly unit, so I'm not surprised, but maybe I'm a little surprised at how much, because goodness gracious, it is quite a bit. Would I give it a thumbs up, being the unit that it is? Possibly. But not for the unit it's supposed to be. If I wanted this unit, I would look for this. But this is what I wanted, and I did not get that, which is so unfortunate. Sensational. Anyway, that is my review. If you are looking for what's on the card, I would say no, okay? If you just want something like this, here you are. That's it. Anyway, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. And thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you and live your best life.